Does walking into bright sunlight make you sneeze instantly? You likely have the photic sneeze reflex, a genetic trait found in about 25% of the population. Scientists believe this happens because the optic nerve, which senses light, and the trigeminal nerve, which controls sneezing, are crossed in your brain. A sudden burst of bright light sends a strong signal that accidentally leaks over into the sneeze trigger, causing a solar explosion. If you are a sun sneezer, hit like and subscribe for more genetic facts.